I wanted to make a Matt Kenney style miter saw sled. I make sure the maple scrap I found fits into the miter slot. Then I trim it to size. Here's my giant crosscut sled. Having to lift that thing was my motivation to make this sled on the small side. The CA glue keeps the miter slot runner in place while I secure it with a few screws. You gotta get the 45 degrees exact. The 45-degree blade makes quick work of the money side of the sled. Next I trim the fence to the height I want. It was just the right length, so I only needed to square up the ends. I secure the first side of the fence. Then I can pivot the fence to make sure it is exactly square to the cutting edge. It takes me a long time to get this right because I want to be precise. I secure down the rest of the fence and sand it smooth. The 45-degree cut in the fence is done. Now the sled's ready to use.